I asked the doctor to mercy killing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
For yourself.
yeah,
Oh, that's scary. Okay.
yeah. It's
And why?
why? Hi everyone, Namaste. This is Veena. I'm helping from past 3 years many people who are traumatized and abused in their relationships. So it's been a wonderful journey all through my life. In purpose and intention of my counseling sessions through my foundation, Happy Healing and Happy Feeling. I'm helping many people who are depressed, who are dealing with anxiety and many more problems in their life. I want to help them to come out of their trauma with a colorful way. Like I am taking them from their survival mode to the thriving mode. So this is my short journey.
Lovely. That's very empowering. Honestly, you are bringing lives all together. So I'm sure this journey must be very tough because the kind of clients that you get must be going through a lot. So it will impact you, right? So can you just highlight something about that?
Yeah, happened is being a engineer, I turned my profession into counselor. I did my MSc Psychology. There is a much behind reason, many more stories to tell. I asked the doctor to mercy killing.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah,
For yourself.
yeah,
Oh, that's scary. Okay.
yeah. It's
And why?
why is because I was going through hell lot of stuffs in the life, which was not at all unbearable pain I was having all through my pain, like from the childhood till my second child. I went through a lot of traumatic conditions, narcissistic abuse. I went through those memories got stored in my body like hell. It want to come out, but I was not allowing it to let go of those pains. So what it had happened with me, like it was all me. The body stored all those memories in terms of this pain. That caused it to happen. This Isaac syndrome. This is particularly called as Isaac syndrome, and the medical field itself like devastated seeing me like I am alive still. I couldn't able to sleep for one whole year. Can you imagine? One day if we won't sleep, how you feel the next day?
Correct.
Dizziness, fatigue, everything. But I couldn't close my eyelids one whole year.
My God.
I met 14 doctors. I couldn't able to breathe. I couldn't able to eat. I could one whole year I didn't speak to anybody because all my muscles were like twitching. No, it is an autoimmune disease, which will be very rare kind neuro disease. So I consulted 14 different neurologists. And then they couldn't able to find the reason, root cause, what is that happening, why you are not able to sleep, and why the body is switching. Like, when somebody pricks you with a injection or something, how it will happen? One prick. But for me, one second, 1,000 prick is going on in my body.
My God. Okay.
How you feel like the cobra is biting and the scorpions are around on your body and your muscles are twitching like this. That you feel. You feel literally when it blood flows. Do you feel that? No, right? But I feel.
Oh my God.
I felt it. So
It's a long way that you have come from, suffering to being an inspiration. Amazing journey. So now that, you have come so far, where do you see yourself in future?
yeah, when I see this, because I had literally gone through the traumatic conditions, I want to help people who are in that state. Because when you have walked that path, you literally know how to help other people.
Correct.
because being you are not in that stage, how you will guide the other people. So I know literally how you feel. I can be empathize with them, and I literally put myself into their shoes and see how they really feel. And I from the root, I want to help them to take out and flourish like anything in the life.
I'm sure you will. I'm very, very sure because you have really, shocked me through your journey, honestly. And very proud of you that, you have been so positive and you are actually making others positive. And thank you for joining us here. And it was lovely talking to you and knowing more about you.
Thank you.